Today, we are talking about how to automate email marketing using AI. Sending emails to your customers and subscribers is one of the best ways to grow your business online. But managing email campaigns manually can take a lot of time. You have to write emails, schedule them, segment your audience, and track the results. AI tools now make this process much faster and smarter. With AI, you can create email sequences, personalize messages, and even optimize your campaigns automatically. In this video, I will show you how AI can help you to automate your email marketing and make it more effective. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share useful tools to help you work smarter. Today, we are talking about AI powered email marketing automation so you can save time, reach more customers, and improve your results. I also placed helpful links in the description where you can explore these tools and try them for yourself. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using the links, any benefits or special offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand how AI can help you with email marketing. The first way AI helps is by writing email content. Many AI tools can generate email copy based on your topics, audience, or goal. For example, if you want to send a welcome email to new subscribers, the AI can write a professional email that introduces your business and encourages readers to take an action. You don't have to spend hours thinking about what to write because AI suggests text that is already optimized for engagement. AI can help with personalization. Personalization is important in email marketing because people are more likely to open and read emails that feel relevant to them. AI can automatically insert the recipient's name, recommend products based on the past purchases, or even suggest content that matches their interests. This makes each email feel more personal without manually creating different versions for every subscriber. Another powerful use of AI is creating email sequences. Instead of sending one email and waiting, you can set up a series of automated emails that are sent over days or weeks. AI can help determine the best order for those emails, the timing between messages, and the type of content that works best for each subscribers. This ensures your audience stay engaged and receives information at the right time. AI also helps with analyzing email performance. Many AI tools track open rates, click rates, and conversions. Based on this data, AI can suggest changes to improve your next email campaigns. For example, it can recommend to changing the subject lines, adjusting sending times, or testing different content formats. This continuous improvement helps you to get better results with less effort. Some AI email marketing tools also offer automated A/B testing. This means the AI can send different versions of an email to small portions of your audience and see which one performs better. The best performing version is then sent to the rest of the subscribers automatically. This testing process is done without lifting a finger, and it helps to increase the engagement and conversions over time. There are many AI tools for email marketing, including MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, and HubSpot. These tools combine automation, personalization, and AI content generation in one platform. Some tools even integrate with your website or CRM, make it easy to trigger emails based on user behavior or purchases. So, in simple word, AI allows you to write email faster, personalize messages automatically, set up smart sequences, and improve results using data and testing. Instead of spending hours manually creating campaigns, AI handles much of the work while still keeping your email professional and engaging. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more simple guides on AI tools, email marketing, and business growth strategies. And don't forget to check the description links so any special offers or benefits will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Take care and start automating your email marketing with AI.